So how are you guys? I hope you're doing very well. Today I want just to go through to show you how, when I'm preparing to do my content or a live show, how I use and my tools. So hizi ndo vitu mimi hutumia. I have here the mics. These are the wireless mics. Here is the box. I don't know, I think light inazuia. Then I also have lighting. Niko na light pale, tripod light. Hii inanisaidia like the visuals at least zinakuwa clear, and especially now that tunafanyia kwa nyumba inakuwa at least inaonekana for clarity. Then I have kuna mics pia, kuna here, hii ni stand. This one natumia, you can unaweza mount hapa camera or you can mount here the phone. So mostly if I'm doing my content kwa nyumba, wana mount hapa simu because that is the easiest way. It can saidia for easy editing and whatever. So this is what I use. Then that is it. I think I have everything. Then this mic, I mount it on a stand. I have a stand here so you can see it. Yeah, that is it. So that mtu ukikuwa umekaa, it is easy sauti inasikika, and then haikupei stress, you feel free while you are using it. Then after nimefanya content yangu, mimi hutumia some apps to edit. I think for the next video I will show you which apps I use to edit, so that kama unataka kuanza content and you are asking or unatafuta unashinda utatoa wapi laptop, I can just explain for you, or nitakuonyesha how you can just use your smartphone to edit good clips, then you upload, because kazi lazima iendelee. And thank you so much. Remember to follow me on my social media handles. Follow me on Facebook at Eliud Kisa or Sultan Rabbit Kenya. I have 2 pages. Then kwa TikTok Sultan Rabbit, YouTube Sultan Rabbit Kenya. We are doing good movies there, you can go and watch. Then pale kwa Instagram Sultan Rabbit 254. Now I grew one. What's the problem? But I want us to focus on to chape sana TikTok Sultan Rabbit, Facebook Eliud Kisa Sultan Rabbit Kenya. Then on YouTube at Sultan Rabbit Kenya. Kuna movies hapo hivyo. Go watch, like anything. Ukiengage hapo hivyo, we are growing. Thank you so much. So I want to do a show here. Nita upload, we will see what I will have done. Yeah. But for now, thank you. Let me acha niingie set.